video, I want to show you that Process Simulate can do much more than just programming classic industrial production lines. Many people immediately think of automotive factories, robot cells, or assembly lines. But that's only part of the picture. Aircraft and jets also need to be painted. And this is where things get really interesting. Imagine a large hangar with a full-size aircraft and mobile painting robots that can move freely around it. Using mobile robotic platforms, similar to kuka omnidirectional systems, painting robots can reach every area of the aircraft, the fuselage, wings, and tail, with complete flexibility. And all of this can be realistically simulated in Process Simulate. One of the key features here is the paint and coverage functionality. These tools don't just help you program the process, they make painting visible and understandable. The paint function visualizes the spray cone in real time. You can see exactly how the paint is applied, how the paths overlap, and how uniform the coating is. There is even the option to simulate coating thickness, which helps identify areas with too much or too little paint. In this video, I walk you through the entire workflow. First, you select the surface to be painted. Then the painting paths are generated automatically. Create locations. Align locations according to TCP. Check reachability. In addition to that, there is the coverage mode. This mode shows which areas have already been painted and how many times they were covered. For complex geometries like aircraft, this is extremely useful to avoid gaps, excessive overlaps, or unnecessary repainting. After that, you add paint triggers so the nozzle knows exactly when to start and stop spraying. And finally, you simply press play. The built-in Process Simulate functions visualize the painting process live on the aircraft. You immediately see what's happening, without a real system, without material consumption, and without any risk. This clearly demonstrates how flexible Process Simulate has become. Whether it's a traditional production line, mobile robotics, or complex aircraft applications inside a hangar, the limits are not defined by the software, but by imagination. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.